Hello and welcome to the channel. This video we are going to be touring a home in North Pickering. It is a brand new, never lived in home built by Fieldgate, and it is just over 2,700 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms and it has tons of upgrades throughout. And again, never been lived in, and I'm super excited to show you this. It's a double car garage, yeah, it's just in a good area, brand new. Going to be a nice area once it's got the grass and everything like that. But yeah, it's just priced over in and around the 1,450,000. So without further talking, let's just kind of get in there and I will show you this home. Just walk up into the front lobby area. We'll go in, and you can see as soon as you walk in, you do have 9-foot ceilings, and it's smooth ceiling, so there's no popcorn at all. So that's kind of like really nice. You have this nice stain. It's more of like that. It's like a brownish, natural, like very light brown color. And yeah, it's hardwood throughout the whole main floor. Staircase as soon as you walk in. And then you have, that's where they're storing their construction stuff. That will be gone by the time this house closes. But yeah, so this is front, kind of the hallway. You walk towards, you do have entrance to the basement, and you do have a side door. So down the road, if you were going to have it as a basement apartment, you already have that side door. We'll go check that out after. This is the dining room type area. So there's 2 ways you can set it up. Dining room, and then living room. Or you can just have this as one really big dining room. I've seen it done both ways. Smooth ceilings. And this is kind of the hallway here into the bathroom. And then you have your garage here. You have a double door closet as soon as you walk in from the garage. So the general idea is you would be parking in the garage, coming through, and then all your jackets, shoes, everything can go there. And then the front door closet, which is smaller, is made more for guests and stuff like that. This powder room. Hello, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Yeah, powder room, so it's just a 2-piece. And then you have your garage. It's a fiberglass garage door, so it's very light. You do have the windows on the side, more of that modern look. And you could fit 2 cars in here easily. You have the rough-in for the central vacuum right there. And then you have the plug in the ceiling up there for a future electric garage door opener. And yeah, so that's this. Thanks for watching the video so far. My name is Brad Gates and I'm a licensed realtor here within the Durham region. And I have helped so many people looking to move here and I absolutely love it. So if you do want that help, all you have to do is call, text, email, send a carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm just here to make everything go so much easier for you. Do subscribe to let you know people are enjoying it. Again, if you want that help, all you have to do is reach out. All my contact information is below. Without too much more talking, let's just jump back into the video. And then you have the kitchen, upgraded cabinetry. Then you have the quartz countertop here as well. Huge island, stainless steel appliances. And then you do have a little kind of pantry here. So if you buy all this extra food, you have more space for it. You do have the breakfast area here, so you could have a table set up. And yeah, you just be able to eat there. You would have grass done once the grading and everything is done. Juliet railing, it does stay here. So down the road, if you're going to add a deck or steps, you have to do that onto your own. Then you have the nice big kind of family room where you could have couch set up like this with the fireplace. You could put a TV above there. Really big window, so it's nice and bright. This fireplace is an electric fireplace, so you can have it set up with just to have the light like this, or you can have it with heat. It's a really nice kind of accent fireplace. Just keep going. We'll go upstairs now. Check out the 4 bedrooms. The bedrooms have well, lots of natural light there as well. staircase has been stained to match the hardwood. And then you have it where you have a bedroom 1, bedroom 2, master bedroom, and then bedroom 4. And then there's the laundry room, and then you have a linen closet. So let's just check out this bedroom. So it's a really good sized bedroom for an alternative one. Yeah, a little closet. It's a walk-in closet. Massive windows. There will be homes kind of put up across the street there. And then you have the bathroom. It's a Jack and Jill bathroom. So one sink, door to the other bedroom, and then you have your toilet, and then your 2-piece bath. So that's 1 piece. That's 2 piece. So you can have a bath and a shower. So this is a 4-piece bathroom total. And then this is bedroom number 2. Again, really big windows. The second floor, it does have the popcorn ceiling. So it's not the smooth ceiling that you're seeing on the main floor. It is carpet in the bedrooms only. So you have the hallway, that was all hardwood. And then all this is the carpet. And you have a closet. So again, double door closet. It's good size. Hopefully I'm not going through too quickly. My goal is to try and show you everything I can without it being an hour-long video. Yes, that's the linen closet. That's just the manuals for the washer and dryer. Again, the builder here is Fieldgate Homes. They've been around for a long time, and they've done a ton of development in the Durham region, even on the west end of Toronto as well. If you're looking at buying any pre-construction or anything like that, feel free to reach out. I'm more than happy to help, and very well versed with the whole pre-construction type development, which could add a lot of value to you buying. So this is the laundry room. So you have the Whirlpool washer and dryer front load, and then you have the laundry, the sink. The nice thing about them is they are oversized. So it is. And then now this is the master bedroom. So first you have a big walk-in closet over here. So I would say this is for the one who has more clothes. And then you have a smaller, but still a very large walk-in closet on this side also. So you do have 2 walk-in closets, massive windows. One thing I didn't mention is the 9-foot ceilings throughout the second floor. So you have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. And then here, because you have the tray ceilings, you have 10 foot in the middle here where the light is. So if you're going to switch a light bulb, get a good light bulb, because you don't want to change it too often, because you do need to bring up the step ladder. So just to show the size of the bedroom, that's a king size bed. So yeah, big windows, and that's the bathroom right there. So let's go take a look at the bathroom. So you have a very oversized sink and oversized mirror, standalone tub over there. And then you have the toilet here, and you have the stand-up shower right here. So in total, this is a 5-piece bath. You have 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece, 5 piece. Yes, that's the bathroom. Let's just go check out the basement. And then, so this here is the 4th bedroom. So this is a single bed, but you could easily fit a double or a queen. If you put a bed this way, you can even fit a king size. So it is a very good sized bedroom. You do have a closet over here. And here's yeah. So it's a 4-piece bathroom, 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece. It's a really good sized bedroom. Grab my shoes, because basements in pre-construction are very dusty. So start on this side. You have your electrical panel. It is a 200 amp panel. That's how you can tell. It says 200 there. And everything is labeled for you. And then you do have a lot of room on here also. So if you were going to be adding anything to the basement or electric car charger in the garage, you do have access for that. You do have room for it, sorry. And then this is the cold room. So if you do buy stuff where it needs to be stored in a cool, dark place, this is it. I would just monitor it for the first year to see how cold it gets in the winter and how hot it gets in the summer. That way you don't spoil your food. And then spare tiles are always kept underneath the stairs here. So if you had to do any tile repairs, any spare tiles were left. And then spare bathroom. So the rough-in for the bathroom, sorry. If you were going to add a bathroom down here, this is where you have your plumbing. It's the drains pretty much for a shower, toilet, vanity, like a sink, that kind of stuff. Furnace. So you have your furnace, which is this part. The one thing to note is furnace filters, which would be right over there. That right there. 16 by 25 by 1, so it is a standard size. So I would just buy cheaper furnace filters, but change them more often. That way you're going to just maximize the life of the furnace. One thing that's kind of cool for Fieldgate, which not a lot of other builders do, is they actually provide you with a humidifier, which you use in the winter when it's cold. It puts moisture into the air. And then in the summer, they give you a dehumidifier. So you'll turn that off, put this on in the summer, and this will pull the moisture out of the air just to keep your home at a consistent 40%. So yeah, that's all functioning properly. Now, hot water tank is a rental through Enercare. It's probably around like $50 or so a month plus tax. And then now it's code for all homes to have the HRVs. What this does is it just helps circulate the air. So it's like having all of your windows open on turbo, which is good if you're cooking, having a lot of people coming over, or if there's a sickness floating around the house, you're fully able to like just freshen up the air within your house. Then you have the windows. They're kind of standard size windows for the basement, big open type basement. So down the road, if you're going to finish it, you do have a lot to work with. So let's just head back up there and let me know what you think of the house tour. I know a lot of people who are from further away from the Durham region. They can't get over the prices that are here. Anywhere in the GTA right now is really expensive. $1 million. It's actually like a really good price. Might be hard for some people to fathom that, but it is. Well, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. A large percentage of people who do watch these videos do not actually subscribe. So if you would subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Lets me know I'm doing things right. If you are looking at purchasing a home, whether it be brand new or older, I'm totally able to help you, whether it be investment or just something that you're going to be looking for your forever home or a stepping stone home, all that kind of stuff. I can help. I've really helped a lot of people who are looking to move to the Durham region from outside of it, and I've actually really enjoyed that because I'm able to provide a lot of knowledge after living here for 13 years now. Wow, time went fast. But yeah, so 13 years ago, I was new to the Durham region coming from Brampton. I had no idea what it was all about. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you do want that help with moving here, all you have to do is call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm just here to make everything go so much easier. I hope you watched other videos that are on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this one. And until next time.